Is your Ring doorbell camera blurry and hard to see? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you a simple DIY fix to make it clear again in just a few minutes. So you might be asking yourself, why does this happen? One of the main reasons a Ring doorbell camera may get scratches on or around the lens, causing the image to be blurry, is due to the positioning of the doorbell camera itself. What's wrong with the positioning, you ask? Well, if the Ring doorbell camera is facing the sun, then this will be the main culprit of causing the foggy and blurred images, as well as the scratches and cracks on your Ring Doorbell Pro. It could actually end up looking something like this. Now let's get started. Some of the tools that you will need are the Ring Doorbell screwdriver that comes with your Ring Doorbell, 2000 grit sandpaper to sand down the lens, a drill to help you polish the lens. However, if you don't have a drill, that's fine. I had one to hand, so used it. Any kind of polish you have. I had some resin polish that's usually used on cars, and a buffer application attachment that will be used with my drill. First, you need to get your Ring Doorbell screwdriver and unscrew and pry the cover off. Now that you've got your cover off, you can start sanding down the affected area using your 2000 grit sandpaper. You'll slowly start to see the scratches and marks being removed. Just keep on going until you're happy with the result. Great! Now it's time to apply some polish onto your applicator or cloth. Be sure to use a small but good amount. Now, it's time for the final part. Polish and buff the lens until you're happy with the result. The final result of the lens should be something like this. Now all you need to do is open up your Ring app and look at the results. Wow, that does look a lot better now, doesn't it? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video.